I'm Devin with Devine Force Racing and IAG Performance, and here we are at Summit Point with TrackDaze. So today we're out here, well, yesterday and today we're out here with my partner and we're testing the track. I've never been here before, so it's really exciting to come out here. I've never even been with TrackDaze yet, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed. Normally I run with NASA and do time trials kind of thing. I do grid life and GTA, and you know, doing an event like this helps me prep for that, so that way I can make sure the car is in tech and doing everything I wanted to do. Out here, I think the track is a lot of fun. It's taken me a little bit to get used to it. It's kind of very technical. I was a little surprised, but I was able to test out the brakes and some other things that we were looking at doing. You know, I'm here with Fred from IAG and JJ from IAG, and we're making sure the car is running perfect, which it is, so we'll be ready for Gingerman now thanks to this track day. Some advice for some women, or even just anybody that's looking out to come into getting into track days and racing. I think like starting at these events are perfect because they have HPD 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, they send you out with an instructor, make you feel comfortable. I don't think anybody should be nervous about coming out to these kind of days, because a lot of times car people are like the awesome people. They're all about family and just trying to go fast. So if you want to come out here, just sign up, get an instructor and start learning. Like, you really just need tires, brakes, and you don't need a fast car like this. Like, I started out with a complete bone stock car. I think my tire tread was probably like 500 something, ridiculous. So now I've upgraded to not so crappy tires. But you know, anybody can start, anybody can do this, and I think that's why I love these kind of events so much. You really get connected to the community. It's like a big dysfunctional family. Like, we all just come together when we ever need something, or even on track. Like, I think you make a lot of friends. This is my first time being here, and I already feel like I know half the paddock because people are just awesome. They want to talk about the cars, they want to talk about their car, and when you're on track and you pass somebody, they'll be like, oh, that's cool, like, how did you do that? And they just want to like talk to you and pick your brain about like different lines, and I definitely did that a lot, you know, being my first time out here. I had a goal I wanted to do sub 20, haven't gotten there yet. I'm like at a sub 1, or I'm at like a 123 kind of area. Lots of room for improvement. Lots of traffic out here, so that does kind of take away from your times. This isn't really a timed event, so we try not to focus on that too much and just focus on learning the track, how the car responds. So it's been awesome. As far as for like women out there that are concerned about joining these kind of events, I say just do it. You don't have to wait for a female event to really go for it. You know, female events are great. I think that they could make you feel more comfortable. But honestly, I find these mixed events are the best. A lot of us just want to be racers. We don't want to be looked at it as like a woman racer or a man racer. We just want to drive. Like, you see my car, I could do the glitter thing and be a girl racer. I just want to drive. I just want to be out there with everybody else. I don't want any of that special treatment. I just want to have fun. And that's when you come to these events, that's what you get. Because when you're on track and you just have like a normal car, you're treated just like everybody else, and your skill set is matched against everybody else, and that's what I love about it. You know, it's welcoming for everybody. So come on out here, talk to the instructors, get somebody in your car, and you know, you can also like ask for different instructors if you don't mesh with them, because we're people, we're all not gonna like everybody. So if you don't mesh with your first instructor, talk to John, talk to somebody, and find somebody that does mesh with you and can teach you, because I learn differently than a lot of other people. Like, I'm a hands-on learner. I suck at translating sim to this. I need somebody in my car to tell me, nah, right here, that's where you're messing up. So they can provide that, they can help you with that. And then eventually you can get up to the run group where it's open passing and you can run with me.